Good evening, friends. I'm again just come back to you to share something about my own life. Okay, how I started my spoken English journey, what motivated me to learn spoken English. Okay, and I hope that it could also motivate you to start your practice. Okay, so starting from the very beginning, from my school life, actually, I am not from CBSE board. I am not from English medium background. My schooling was done in Bengali medium school. So naturally, what happened being a Bengali medium or vernacular medium school student. So when I passed out my HS, I scored well in English. I could write. I could read English properly. I entered my college in first year. I had English honors. Okay, so I found that most of my friends they were speaking very good English, and they didn't score good marks. Okay, but I scored very well in my examination. So actually I had the misconception. I thought that if I can score very well so I could speak. It was not the fact, and I was very much confused. I was suffering from uh, how can I improve myself. Okay, then I thought, okay, anyhow I have to work on it. Then I took admission in BBC, and I could remember the very first day when I entered my class. My teacher came and he was asking everybody about themselves, like self-intro round was going on. So many of my friends they spoke, they just managed to speak. More or less everybody spoke. But when my turn came, when my teacher came to me and told that, yes, Tamal, please tell us about yourself. I was fully stuck. I was fully, I was not able to speak anything. I know English. I knew English at that time also, but I was so nervous because I didn't have the habit of speaking. So I could not say anything. I just remained silent. It happened. It was going on like almost like two weeks. I just kept going to my class and I sat there silently. I could not say anything. But during that 2 weeks, I used to listen to my teacher with rapt attention. Every word, every sentence, the way he was, talking, I listened to him. So after 2 weeks, I started speaking. Why am I saying all these things to you? I am saying all these things to you because this is the common thing, very normal thing. When you start something new, when you start, riding bicycle, what happened? You hurt your elbow, you hurt your knees. That is normal. But when you get back your balance, you start riding the bicycle. Exactly, English is a foreign language, so it's normal that when you start speaking in English, it's normal that you will make mistake, right? So I also did that. I can still remember that once I used a word comfortable. The spelling was COMFORTABLE. I pronounced the word comfortable. That people started laughing at me because we are Bengalis. We have the "o" sound. We always add "o" to everything. So I just pronounced it comfortable. So then my teacher rectified me, said, Toma, it's not comfortable, it's comfortable. So it is supposed to be comfortable. Another day, there was another word like EFFORT. I said, I just pronounced it effort. Again, the same thing happened. Everybody started bullying me. Then I came to know it was not effort, it was effort. Effort. Okay, nice effort. So I learned. And before I started my spoken English journey, there was a sentence in my, this incident happened in my school life. There was a sentence like, I did not go there, I didn't go there. So at that time I said it wrongly. I made a mistake. I said I didn't went there. Okay, because I didn't know at that time that after did, if you use did, after that you have to use the present form of the verb. So it is supposed to be I didn't go there, not I didn't went there. Okay, so initially we have to face all these situations, but please trust me if you start practicing, because when I started there was no more smartphone. So I learned with lots of difficulties, right? If I can do it, if I can speak, anybody can do it. Just believe me, because nowadays there are lots of options out there. Like you have the smartphone, you can download some apps, you can go to YouTube, you can watch some videos, you can get lots of stuff, right? So the main thing, you have to start from today. Now the problem is that how to start. See, again I'm saying you can get lots of information, lots of stuff out there on internet, but I'll tell you the easiest one that you can start from today. Do one thing, every hour think 2 sentences in English. Why think in English? Because the basic problem is that we think in our mother tongue, in our mother language, and then we translate into English. It takes a lot of time. Don't translate, just think in English and speak it out. So if you right now cannot speak, you start doing one thing. You just every hour write down 2 sentences. Just like after having your lunch, you can write down 1 sentence. I have taken my lunch, the menu was so and so. Clear? You can do it. So every hour write down 2 sentences on your notepad, or if you have a copy, if you have a diary, you can write them on. So this thing you can do. So suppose your waking hours like 12 hours. So if you write down 2 sentences per hour, so 12 into 2 equals 24 sentences. Every day you can make 24 sentences, okay? And before going to bed at night, you have to write down all the 24 sentences on a copy. Do it every day and practice up to 1 month, till 1 month, okay? And you will see the improvement. You can do it. You don't have to say anything. You don't have to do anything. Just do it every day, 2 sentences per hour, 24 sentences per day, and carry on and continue up to 1 month. After 1 month, just come back to my video and please drop your comment on the comment box and tell me the improvement. It will work definitely, because still now I'm working on it. I'm doing it. I'm just practicing in the same way. If you do this, that is confirmed, it is guaranteed that it will improve your fluency. So why you are getting late? Start it from today. And if you get stuck to any place, you know this question may arise that, sir, if I get stuck, what to be happen? There is no one to rectify me. I am with you, I am for you. If you get stuck to any place, just come to my video, write down your question that, sir, I don't know the meaning of it, what would be the construction of this sentence. I will definitely help you. I'll be helping you. From my side, I'll give my best. Now it's up to you. If you want to learn, come and learn. Let's learn together. I think you have enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and please start practicing. And if you have any query, write down the query, your question in the comment box below, okay? And please subscribe my channel to get notified for the upcoming videos. And we also provide online classes. If anybody who can afford, I'm making these videos for some people who can't afford. If they can watch this video and they start practicing at home, they will get improved, okay? But if you can afford, you can also contact me. I have given my mobile number in the description box. My mobile number is 7980782523. You can just contact me. We also provide online classes, and it is very affordable. The fees of the course is very affordable. Anybody can do it, okay? Thanks a lot. All the best. See you in the next video.